Hey, so this isn't my normal content, and you know, this is supposed to be me time for Father's Day, but I just wanted to tell you guys I love you, I appreciate you, thank you for being along for the ride. You know, some of you have been here since like the first damn video I put out, which was admittedly lame because I didn't know what I was doing, but I just wanted to thank you guys. You know, I love you. I've been working 60 something hours a week, so I never get me time, and I was able to go out today and kind of enjoy the night. I went to a car show and showed off the bike, because why not? And you know, I'm just enjoying the day. So I just wanted to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers, happy Father's Day to all the mothers that had to be fathers, for whatever situation. But I love y'all, and this little tiny ride is for all you guys. I love you. Yeah, so I haven't done one of these videos in a while, a bike video, and I wasn't going to. That wasn't my intention. I went to a car show today to basically just show this thing off, and everyone loved it, and it was just cool to be around my sort of people. There were bikes there and obviously nice cars, but I'll try to post that video. It was like, I don't know, not even 30 seconds long, but I'll try to add it into this so you guys can see just the roll up. But yeah, I don't know, I said just like 19 times, so I'm not in the right state of mind. My mind's all about work, and today, screw it, we're having a little fun. Just driving home now from a couple different things I was doing, but yeah, I just wanted to take this time to appreciate you guys. I had a long ride. I've been chilling out, having fun, and I was just thinking, man, I got some really cool, really decent people on this channel, and I do appreciate it. I love you guys. I really do. I don't know you, but I love you. All right? Click off whenever you want. Well, that was anticlimactic. Jesus. It was extremely anticlimactic. Anywho, there's a concert going on right up the road, so that's why all this. I got nothing to talk about because, yeah, just enjoy the ride or click off. Either way, love you guys. Thank you so much for being around. I love you guys. I appreciate you. said, that's like the 4th or 5th ambulance I've seen. Hey, idiot. Fuck you. Come on, man. Alright, let's hope they're safe. really hope you guys are having a lovely day. I'm just so appreciative of, I don't say fans because that just doesn't seem right, but I'm very appreciative about anybody who's ever tuned in and even gave me a shot. And I've got some diehard people out there, and I couldn't be more grateful. I like to make a lot of noise because some people just don't give a damn. What's up, brother? You want me to show you ID or something? Damn, man. Okay, you're on my YouTube right now. You hear him? He just said you're writing something that cool. You don't need to. Oh, you rock. Hey, take my card. GrimsTravels, y'all. You rock. You're going to be on this video. I'm going to put you on probably tonight, all right?
I got you.
All right, hit me up.
See you, man.
Thank you, brother. God, I'm just so blessed, for real. I'm working like 60 hours a week. I'm teaching kickboxing and doing some other, I don't want to mention the company's name, but I'm doing a lot of work. I'm outside most of the time, and I have no time to myself. Tomorrow's Father's Day, so basically I got to come out today to just have some me time. I never have that, you know, other than in my truck on my way to different places I have to service for my work. I'm not a hooker. Don't ask for my number unless you got cash. But listen, I love you guys. Like I said, I can't express what it means to me that I have so many people that care. Yes, that's me squeaking. They're new brakes. I'm sorry, I'm breaking them in. Literally, dad joke. But anyway, I couldn't imagine anybody just wanting to see what Grim's doing, you know? It used to be nothing but guns and motorcycles, because I've got quite a few of both of those. So I was like, you know what, let's make a YouTube channel. And then I became the abandoned building guy, you know? And I've gone to some awesome places. It's taken me to some really random cool places. But it was mainly for fun. I was like, you know what, let's try the YouTube thing, and I can't be more grateful. I've said that 4 times, I know, I'm sorry. But the reality is, I wouldn't still have the channel up if I didn't have you guys. And I don't get a lot of money from YouTube. I mean, basically, once you reach $100, they send you money via your whatever account you have on. And most of the times I don't cash mine for a couple months because I haven't reached that $100 mark. And I mean, it helps. It helps with the gas. It helps with just, you know, maintaining life. And it's awesome. But the main thing really is just having a following of people that are just incredible. Like, I absolutely love you guys. Whenever I help the homeless, let's shut that off. Whenever I help the homeless, I always say to them, I mean, I was homeless when I was 16, so it hurts to see people outside, but like that, so no one can take it. But my famous thing, the thing that I tell them is, I don't know you, but I love you. And it's true. You don't have to really know anyone to actually care about them. Just human nature. I mean, if you're a real human. But yeah, I appreciate you guys, and especially those of you that keep coming back, even if I have a stupid video that I come out with because I can't find anything to film. It's that constant, and I've got so many of them that I can't list, you know. I can off the top of my head. I've got names already popping in my head, but I don't want to leave anybody out. Look at the lights. Now when you talk like this, they go really, really fast. This is all I wanted to show you guys. Never mind. I'm sorry. I've got ADD, but I haven't been diagnosed yet. That's my other bike. It was on another video. I've got a few more, but I'm selling that, so I'm trying to revamp it. Anywho, this was just a kind of love you guys video. We the people. I'm very American. I love it. That's for me working at a cemetery. Cemeteries. That's my favorite job I've ever had. But either way, I'm getting off topic. The topic is about you guys, okay? I genuinely appreciate every minute, and I'm sorry if this is boring. I've got a couple boring videos. I'm you know, I don't do this for a living yet, so I don't know. It is what it is. Let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me you love me back, because if not, I'll be sad. But who really cares about that? Anywho, you guys take it easy. Have a great life. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're seeing this near Father's Day, happy Father's Day to all of you, dads and moms that had to be dads for whatever. You're cared about, you're loved very much, and I greatly appreciate your time. It's more than I could explain. I mean, this was very dumb and repetitive, but it's the best I could do with what I have. I was thinking about y'all when I was riding, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make a little video, and this is what it turned into, like 8 minutes of crap, but maybe more than that. I don't know, you'll see. All right, y'all have a great night. Hope you're living well. If not, you deserve better, so turn it the hell around, all right? If you don't feel it, you're wrong, you're loved, and I will talk to y'all soon, all right? Have a great night, and as always, I love y'all.